Hey everyone, welcome to Web Solutions. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit posts on Bigo Live. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Bigo Live application. Now tap on the Me option which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on your displayed profile picture. Select Post option which is right beside Profile option. Scroll down and select the post that you'd like to edit. Tap on the post that you'd like to edit. Now select the three horizontal dots which is at the top right corner of your post. And then select Edit option. Now perform your changes. Once you are done, tap on the Post button which is at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can edit posts on Bigo Live. Thanks for watching the Web Solutions. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.